In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging quiz using Canva. This is a fantastic way to interact with your audience, whether you're a teacher looking to make lessons more dynamic, a content creator aiming to boost engagement, or a business owner seeking to capture audience insights. So let's dive right in and explore the simple process of doing this effectively. First, you'll want to head over to your Canva project. If you haven't set up a project yet, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Canva's interface is user-friendly, and you'll find it quite intuitive. Once you arrive at your chosen project, take a moment to visualize what you want your quiz to look like. Consider the theme and the message you want to convey. Now let's move on to the next step. You'll need to click on the Elements tab, which is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of creative assets, including shapes, lines, frames, and more. But for the purposes of today's tutorial, we're going to focus on the polls and quizzes section. So scroll down until you find this category. It might take a bit of scrolling, but stay with it. You're almost there. Once you've found the polls and quizzes section, you have a delightful assortment of quiz format styles to choose from. Feel free to explore these options and see what catches your eye. Whether you prefer a classic multiple choice layout or a more visually dynamic version, you'll find something that fits your needs. Each option allows for customization, so even after choosing a format, you're able to tweak colors, fonts, and imagery to align with your brand or theme perfectly. Take your time to choose the format that works best for your content. Remember, the more visually appealing the quiz, the more engagement you're likely to receive. As you customize, think about your audience and what might resonate best with them. Once you've finalized your quiz design, you're done. It really is as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've created a tool that can entertain, educate, and provide valuable insights into your audience's preferences or understanding. Consider previewing your quiz to spot any corrections needed before sharing it with your audience. This can be done easily within Canva, and it ensures that your final product is polished and professional. That's it for today's tutorial. You've successfully learned how to craft a compelling quiz in Canva, and you're well on your way to engaging your audience in a meaningful way. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and formats to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!